in the studio this evening, and I have a piece of work that I had started a little while back that had some gold leafing, as well as a piece of collage paper that was embedded. And I want to work on this piece today and see how much further I can push it, and it will be done very intuitively. I don't really have a plan, and I just want to start adding more layers, and I'm glad you are in the studio with me today. So let's start painting. I have added more layers, different colors, just sort of building on what I had previously in the history of this piece of work. I did retain some of the gold leafing, a little bit of the collage paper, but I like the way the gold leafing is peeking through. But the color that I went over top of it with did subdue it. And so I've tried to move some of the color and the pattern, textural things around the entire piece. So I think that I am going to stop for a little while on this piece and see if I still like it tomorrow. But I do think that this helped to change the piece, and as I always say, you can always add another layer and make it a totally different piece of work. And this piece is now very soft and subtle, and I hope everyone likes it. Please leave me some comments below, and if you like the video, please click the like. And thank you for joining me in the studio.